Hello, this is Lance Zimmerman and welcome to the CattleFax Closing Bell for Friday, March 25th. The Closing Bell is a weekly online video providing CattleFax members with in-depth commentary and news from the cattle, beef, and grain markets. Today's leading story, the USDA Quarterly Hogs and Pigs Report. The front page article in today's CattleFax update focuses on current pork fundamentals and the short-term challenges shared with the beef industry. Increased pork exports to South Korea, China, and Hong Kong, as well as relatively stable commercial pork production over the last 2 months, led to a pork cutout that was more than 20% higher year to date. Based on these fundamentals, CattleFax anticipates that the cutout will continue its trend to seasonally higher prices and reach the low $100 range by summer. The quarterly Hogs and Pigs report released this afternoon by the USDA did little to change those expectations. The report estimated U.S. sow breeding inventories at 5.79 million head, even with 1 year ago, and market hog inventories at 58.2 million head, up 1% from last year. Producer intentions for second and third quarter sow farrowings were down 3% compared to 1 year ago, and the report was mostly within pre-report estimates, the farrowing intentions being 1% lower than most predictions. Now for your weekly market summary. There was moderate volume in the Fed cattle cash market this week. Prices were even to $2 higher, with the largest gains noted in the north due to tighter supplies in that region. Live cattle traded at $113 to $114 in the south and $114 to $116 in the north. Boxed beef prices gave up ground late in the week to close slightly lower, and the Choice Select spread reached $3 on Wednesday, only to narrow to 26 cents by this morning. Beef demand was limited as end cuts began to come under seasonal pressure. Corn prices resumed their upward price trend in March, and the focus will now be on the USDA Planning Intentions Report to be released next Thursday. Thanks for watching, and be sure to visit CattleFax.com for the latest market news and analysis.